Hi people, Marijn here. I'm going to do some burping, so at first I'm going to inhale some air and after that you will have some burps. Weak. They will get bigger. That's for sure.